Sargodha is a significant city in the Punjab province of Pakistan, often called the City of Eagles due to its large Pakistan Air Force base. This base is not just a symbol of military strength but also a source of pride for the residents. Beyond its military significance, Sargodha has deep agricultural roots contributing vitally to Pakistan's food supply. The region's farmers work tirelessly to cultivate the land, ensuring a steady supply of essential crops. The fertile land supports a variety of crops, feeding the nation and generating income through exports. Wheat, sugarcane and rice are among the primary crops, each playing a crucial role in the local economy. As a district headquarters, Sargodha is an important administrative centre with well-planned infrastructure and green spaces. The city's layout reflects a blend of modernity and tradition, making it a pleasant place to live. The city is also known for its educational institutions, attracting students from nearby towns and villages. Universities and colleges here offer a range of programs contributing to the intellectual growth of the region. Geographically, Sargodha lies between the Jhelum and Chenab rivers, part of the Indus Valley Plain with rich alluvial soil. This strategic location has historically made it a hub for trade and agriculture. The climate is hot and dry in summer, mild and pleasant in winter, ideal for growing citrus fruits, for which Sargodha is famous. The city's oranges are particularly renowned for their sweetness and quality. The name Sargodha is believed to mean Pond of Godha, hinting at an ancient past. This historical depth adds a layer of mystique to the city, attracting historians and tourists alike. Over centuries, this small settlement has grown into a bustling city, intertwined with the broader history of Punjab. The streets are a blend of old and new, reflecting the city's evolution over time. Sargodha has witnessed many empires and rulers, growing into the important city it is now while retaining its charm. Its historical ruins and modern architecture stand as a testament to its rich and varied past. The Jhelum River, one of Punjab's great rivers, flows near the western side of Sargodha district. This river is not just a body of water, it is a lifeline for the region, supporting countless communities and ecosystems. Originating in the pristine valleys of Jammu and Kashmir, the Jhelum travels a long and winding distance, bringing essential water for drinking and agriculture. Its journey through the mountainous terrain is a sight to behold, showcasing nature's raw beauty. The river's waters have shaped the landscape and lives of people for centuries, playing a crucial role in Sargodha's agriculture. The fertile plains owe much of their productivity to the Jhelum's nourishing flow. Farmers use the river water to irrigate fields, growing essential crops like wheat, sugarcane and cotton. This irrigation is vital for sustaining the agricultural economy of the region. The river deposits rich silt during floods, renewing soil fertility naturally. This natural process ensures that the land remains fertile and productive year after year. Historically, the Jhelum was known as Hydaspes in ancient Greek texts, witnessing significant events like Alexander the Great's battle against King Porus. These historical moments have left an indelible mark on the region's cultural heritage. The river has been a crucial route for trade, travel, and the flourishing of civilizations. Its waters have carried goods, people, and ideas, contributing to the region's development. For the people of Sargodha, the Jhelum River is part of their identity, mentioned in local songs and poems. It's a source of inspiration and pride deeply embedded in their cultural fabric. It provides a place for recreation, with people enjoying picnics and the calming sight of flowing water. The riverbanks are a popular spot for families to gather and create lasting memories. The river's journey through Punjab is a reminder of nature's power and beauty, shaping the land and culture of the region. Its majestic flow continues to inspire awe and reverence in all who witness it. The ecosystem around the Jhelum River near Sargodha is diverse, supporting a variety of plants and animals. Trees like shisham and kikar line the riverbanks, providing shade and preventing soil erosion. Tall grasses and shrubs create habitats for smaller creatures, with wildflowers blooming after rains. The Jhelum River is home to many fish species, with fishing being a common activity for locals. Besides fish, the river supports amphibians and reptiles, with efforts to keep the river clean crucial for their survival. Many birds, including waterfowl, egrets, herons and kingfishers, are found near the river, adding to its natural charm. The presence of these birds indicates a relatively healthy ecosystem. Land animals like jackals, foxes and wild boars live in the riverine area, finding food and shelter in the vegetation. The interaction between these animals and the river environment is complex, with each species playing a role in the local food web. Protecting their habitat is essential for maintaining the biodiversity of the Sargodha region. The Kirana Hills, a striking natural feature near Sargodha, rise dramatically from the flat alluvial plains. Located about 15 kilometers southwest of Sargodha city, these geologically old hills are an extension of the Aravalli Range. The Kirana Hills are primarily igneous rocks formed from ancient volcanic activity, offering good views of the surrounding plains. Visitors can expect a rugged environment with hardy shrubs and grasses, best visited during cooler weather. The hills have local legends and spiritual significance, and Pakistan reportedly conducted its first subcritical nuclear tests here in the 1980s. For most visitors, the hills offer raw nature and wide-open views, standing as silent witnesses to the passage of time. The Kirana Hills offer excellent hiking opportunities with moderate climbs suitable for people with average fitness. Reaching the top provides rewarding panoramic views of agricultural fields and sometimes the Jhelum River. The flora consists mainly of drought-resistant plants like acacia and ziziphus, with wild grasses and small wildflowers appearing after rains. Despite the barren appearance, the hills support wildlife like desert hares, mongooses, lizards, snakes and birds such as partridges and kestrels. The wildlife is shy and not always easy to spot, requiring patience and a keen eye. For geology enthusiasts, the Kirana Hills are a natural museum, showcasing various igneous rock formations and weathering patterns. Observing and photographing these formations can be very educational, offering a unique outdoor classroom. Sargodha is famously known as the California of Pakistan due to its vast citrus orchards, especially the Kinno mandarin orange. The climate and soil in Sargodha are perfect for growing Kinno, with miles of land covered in fruit trees. The citrus orchards are the backbone of Sargodha's local economy, supporting thousands of families. The Kinno harvest season from November to March is a busy time, with large quantities of fruit picked, sorted and packed for export. The citrus industry has transformed Sargodha into a prosperous agricultural hub, bringing development and employment. The impact of citrus orchards on tourism is growing, with some farmers opening their orchards for agritourism. Visitors can experience orchard life, learn about citrus cultivation, and even pick their own fruit. Beyond Kinno, Sargodha also produces other citrus varieties like Mausami, red blood oranges, lemons, and grapefruits. Research centers in Sargodha work on developing new citrus varieties and better cultivation techniques, ensuring the region remains a leader in citrus production. Agritourism in Sargodha offers a unique way to experience the region's natural beauty, with many citrus farm owners welcoming visitors. Guided tours of orchards provide insights into the entire process of citrus farming, from planting to harvesting. One of the main attractions is fruit picking, allowing visitors to select and taste freshly picked kinnos. Some farms also sell fresh juice and other citrus products directly to visitors. Besides orchard visits, exploring nearby villages offers a glimpse into traditional Punjabi life with local crafts and customs. Guest houses in rural areas offer traditional Punjabi food made with fresh local ingredients. Fishing in the Jhelum River and various canals is another activity, with local anglers guiding visitors to good spots. Agri-tourism and related rural activities provide a wholesome and enriching travel experience, highlighting Sargodha's natural and cultural richness. The best time to visit Sargodha is during the winter and spring months, from November to March, when the weather is pleasant and cool. This period is also the Kinno harvesting season, allowing visitors to experience the orchards in their full glory. Accommodation options in Sargodha city range from budget-friendly to mid-range hotels, with some farms offering basic accommodation. When visiting natural areas like the Kirana Hills or the Jhelum River, wear comfortable walking shoes, carry enough water and use sunscreen. Hiring a car with a driver is a good option for visiting orchards or the Kirana Hills, with local buses connecting Sargodha to nearby towns and villages. The people of Sargodha are generally hospitable and welcoming, with learning a few basic phrases in Urdu or Punjabi being helpful. Respect local customs and traditions and dress modestly, especially when visiting rural areas or religious sites. Sargodha is a hidden natural gem in Pakistan, offering a unique blend of natural beauty and agricultural richness. Nestled in the heart of Punjab, it is a place where the land and its people come together to create a serene and welcoming environment. The majestic Jhelum River sustains fertile lands and diverse ecosystems, while the ancient Kirana Hills offer rugged landscapes and panoramic views. These natural features not only support agriculture but also provide breathtaking scenery for visitors. Sargodha's charm lies in its understated yet profound natural appeal, with famous citrus orchards painting the landscape in vibrant shades of green and orange. These orchards are a testament to the region's agricultural prowess and are a delight to explore. The rise of agritourism allows visitors to connect with Sargodha's agricultural heritage, offering unique and authentic experiences. Tourists can engage in activities like fruit picking and learn about the cultivation processes firsthand. Beyond well-known attractions, Sargodha offers moments of peace and discovery with activities like birdwatching, hiking, and enjoying rural scenery. These activities provide a perfect escape for nature enthusiasts and adventure seekers alike. The simplicity of life in the villages and the warmth of the local people add to the charm, making Sargodha a special destination. The hospitality of the locals ensures that every visitor feels at home. For those seeking an escape from crowded cities and a desire to explore Pakistan's diverse landscapes, Sargodha is a must-visit. Its tranquil countryside offers a refreshing break from the hustle and bustle of urban life. A trip to Sargodha is more than just sightseeing. It is an opportunity to learn, experience, and connect with nature and culture. Visitors can immerse themselves in local traditions and enjoy the simple pleasures of farm life. The natural beauty of Sargodha, combined with its cultural richness, leaves a lasting impression on all who visit. Whether it's the stunning sunsets or the vibrant local culture, Sargodha offers an unforgettable retreat for all.